So hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video, we're going to discuss how we can generate a tic-tac-toe code using ChatGPT. We use ChatGPT a lot for daily needs. Even we can create a code within seconds, right? Just type here, just create a tic-tac-toe or create a program for tic-tac-toe. So by default, I think we'll see what type of program it will give. So by default, it gives you in a Python, right? So just copy that. You can paste it anywhere. Let's say I'll copy here. Okay, I'll copy the entire code. Let's see from here I'm copying. So pasting the entire code here. Okay, so I'll click on File, Save As. So I'll save this here, letting all files uh, tic tac toe.py. So tictactoe.py, I'm saving it. Okay. So now I can open. So let me run now the 01, 02, and 03. Okay. So let me run x. I want in 00. So x we got here. So I want O in 01. So we got x here. Then I want 01, 10, and 11. So I want in 1 comma 1. Okay. I want x is 0 and 2. Okay, x we got here, and 0 1 1 1 2 2 2 0 2 1 and 2 2. So in 2 2 I wanted x. So player x wins. Like that, you can have a simple game created by ChatGPT in Python. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.